Sister, good afternoon. How you doing?
Good evening, sir.
Well done.
Ekpe, sir.
You came back?
Yes, sir.
Omo Esotiwa. Ekpe o. Eku. Ekpe ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Ekabo. Idie o ti wa o. Idie ulelu ni o. Idie ulelu o.
Na person wife na help you.
Ebe o. Onye runu good local na so gbale ala. The contractor dey no try at all. Ebe o.
Na follow come o.
This one dey kwesi goro ka ibu dị arọ. See here.
She's lying down on me. I'm doing it.
What is this?
Your usual pain.
Usual pain. So, this has been going on in this house and nobody deemed it necessary to let me know. No wonder. I sensed something is going on. Each time I want to enter room, they are changing clothes. Girls are naked. So, you've been harboring Oteluku inside my house. Don't just give me that look. Don't just give me that look. Why you do the wardrobe? Wait.
You'll be fine, okay?
I just drop this your job like microphone. Now.
Are you sure you want to receive your money?
Okay, say my car and go our house. I am. Okay, you've not paid me.
I've not paid you. Now your money where you wait for, I can't say you must put her through before you collect your money. So I shock you with that money. Then you can't come back. Let's take your comeback.
Okay. Well, well done.
Be more dramatic.
Yeah,
That's now when let's be more dramatic about this whole thing. That's the character. Oh yeah, we're back now. Well, well done, no. Chai. You must not shout when your voice is low, okay? I just want to put that one. Yeah, I know. That's why I say it should be more dramatic. I can correct her. Has she shown you have she taken you around?
She don't carry me go around the house. The house she find. And she
So they are talking.
The chair, then when you sit up where?
Alright, let's go.
Put the energy on the lap.
Alright, wait there, so you finish and so So see, look. When you sit, you listen though. When you sit and you look at your mommy, you laugh.